How to withdraw on Binance exchange to external wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can withdraw on Binance exchange to external wallet apps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say you're trying to withdraw money or crypto or fiat from your Binance to any other external wallet, could be Coinbase, Trust Wallet or anything. First you have to copy the deposit address of those wallets. So if you're trying to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet, make sure that you copy the Bitcoin wallet address from Trust Wallet, and only then you can simply come to the Binance app, then go to the portfolio tab. Now from here what you have to do is simply go to withdraw option, then simply select the currency that you want to transfer to another, right? So let's say it is Bitcoin or any other thing. So just depending upon whichever it is, you have to copy that exact one, and then you simply need to paste the addresses or the wallet address that you have, the network, the withdrawal amount, and then hit the withdraw option. So the important thing here is to copy the wallet address from any external wallet that you're trying to copy from. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.